Okay, so today we're going to practice some more addition and subtraction. Get out your whiteboards, markers, and erasers, and get ready. Okay, go ahead and write 83 minus 27 on your board and use any strategy you like to solve this problem. Okay, I'm going to solve this problem with an open number line. I will start at the number 27, and I will jump up to 83, and then I will add up my jumps to get the answer. When I'm at 27, I want to get to the next friendly 10. That's 30. From 30, I'll jump to 80. And I know that right there, that's 50 jumps. From 80 to 83, that's 3 jumps. I'll go back to the beginning, and from 7 to 30, from 27 to 30, it's 3 jumps. So I'll go ahead and I'll add up those numbers, and I have a 3 and a 3, so that's 6, and 50, 56 is the answer. Let's take a look at our next problem. Go ahead and write 67 plus 17 on your board and solve it. Because it's addition, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to use the pull down strategy because it's the most efficient. So I'm adding 67 plus 17. I'll start with the 7 and the 7. Both of those are in the ones place. Both of those are in the ones place. And 7 plus 7 is 14. Then I'll add the 60 and the 10, and that's 70. I'll go ahead. I see a red alert right there. I'll move the 10 over. 70 is 80, 14 is 4. My answer is 84. Let's get to our next problem. Go ahead and write this down. And go ahead and solve the problem. Okay, if I was solving this problem, which I'm going to solve it right now, I would go ahead and use pull down strategy. It's the most efficient. I just have to be careful because I am adding 3 different numbers. So I'm going to add the 4, the 2, and the 6. When I add 4, 2, and 6, I look for a 10 first, and I see that 4 and 6, that's 10, and then 2 more is 12. So in the ones place, I have 12. Then I'll go ahead and add my 10s. I've got 30, I've got 10, and I've got 20. 30 and 10, that's 40. 40 and 20, that's 60. So there you go. Red alert, red alert, red alert. I'll move the 10 over. 60 is now 70. 12 is now 2. Final answer, 72. Now I'll go ahead and get ready for my next problem. Go ahead and write down this problem, 78 minus 24, and solve it. Okay, so when I look at this problem, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to decide to use a base 10 model with 10s and 1s. I'll draw out 78, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 8 ones. And now I'm going to go ahead and I will cross out 2 of the 10s. And now I'll cross out 4 ones. 2, 4. My final answer here is I've got 4 in the ones place. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10. So that's 50. So the answer is 54. 54. Okay. Ready for the next problem? Go ahead and write that down. 45 plus 25. Go ahead and solve it. Okay, I would do pull down, 10s and 1s. There I go. 5 plus 5 is 10. 40 plus 20 is 60. I'll take that 10 and push it over. It's 70 here. And in the ones place, I have 0. So the answer is 70. Go ahead and solve this problem. 24 plus 12 plus 28. Okay, so again, I'm going to use the pull down strategy with my 10s and 1s. I will start with my 1s. I have 4, 2, and 8. Right away, I'm going to add the 2 and the 8 first because that's 10. I do that in my head. So I know that that's 10, and 4 more is 14. Then I'll go to the 10s place. I've got 20, I've got a 10, and I've got a 20. So I'm going to add those. 20, that's 30, 40, 50. There I go, 50. Red alert right there. Push them over. 50 is 60. 14 is 4. 64. Boom. All right, one more. 79 minus 68. I'm going to give you some advice. Use an open number line. Jump up from 68 to 79. These numbers are very close together, so it should be very quick for you to get the answer. My advice was to use an open number line, starting at the number 68, stopping at the number 79. Okay, so here I go. From 68 to the next friendly 10, 70, that's 2 jumps. From 70 to 79 is 9 jumps. I quickly add those 2 numbers in my head because I've been practicing like my teacher told me to. And 9 plus 2 is 11, and I am done. So, when numbers are really close together like that in subtraction, use an open number line and jump up.